Okay.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Ingat kayo ha.
Excuse me.
Hinaras ko dito, hindi ba siya pwede? Kuya John,
Hindi mo sin...
pwede ba siya? Ito yung hinaras ko dito. Sabi mo kay sir, isa lang. Hi, Sir John! Ayan.
Dali.
Ay, ayan. Isa lang. Hi po, Sir! Sir John, babay po. Babay ka naman po. Isang babang bintana lang. Isang babang bintana.
Ginawa natin lahat ng paraan.
Ginawa. Humingi lang ako eh. It's okay, ma'am.
Thank you for being an essential viewer of the Michael Apasible Bulletin community. I wish to share a continued growth and prosperity by producing more videos on our channel. Should you forgot to subscribe and follow all our social media accounts, please click the button to tighten our bond together.